Hey lovelies, welcome to another vlog. So today is Wednesday and it's around 10 o'clock in the morning and still I haven't had my breakfast. So I'm going to prepare my breakfast along with you guys. Let's make ASMR salad. Let's go. Guys, it's done. It looks so colorful. It's beautiful. And coming to taste test, it's crunchy, it's good, and I like it. I wouldn't say I love it because I'm not someone who used to eat like salads and lot of fruits, but it's good. And I'm eating such healthy breakfast today because I'm going to have kind of a cheat meal, we can say. It's all about balance, baby. And it's kind of has all the taste in it, spicy, sweet, tangy. The tanginess from the orange, I really like that flavor and it's good. And my breakfast is ready, a bowl of salad, and now I'm going to listen to songs and eat my breakfast because I'm not going to watch K-drama right now because today's work day is with some big to-do list going on. Not gonna do that. I'm going to listen to some songs and eat my breakfast. Okay, Google, play my favorite songs.
Okay, music on Spotify. Here you go.
Most favorite, guys. Okay guys, it's few hours later. I did some work and this is the unhealthy snack that I wanted to have. That's why I had like a healthy, so healthy salad in the morning. It's a cute little bun with jams. I was craving for like jam. So yes, I'm going to enjoy this and then continue with my work, and then probably I will eat dinner and call it a day. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Lovelies, it's day 2 and I'm a little happy, excited and surprised this morning because sometimes I just take my weighing scale and measure my weight, and today as usual I just did it. Like I wasn't expecting that much. I will just like to keep track of my weight, what's happening to my weight and everything. But guess what? I lost 2 kgs. I mean, it's just amazing. It feels amazing, guys. Like when you follow some healthy habits and when you consistently do it, the results show up. So I'm happy that I'm making at least a little progress towards my weight loss and health journey. And you all know I said rewards and reward myself for the work that I have done for. And for this also, for this like tiny achievement, I rewarded myself with new active wear. So I've been working out like without active wear, like with normal PJs. I gifted myself this set. It's so good. First I have this leggings like black color. It's so good. It hugs your body perfectly. And then I have this sports bra, and I used it to work out for a few days. I can really see the difference between working out in my PJs versus working out with an active wear. It does have like a added motivation to the whole working out process, and also it kind of feel cute and nice. I think it really helps to feel good sort of. And yeah, this is my reward to just keep going and keep working out. This will motivate me to work out consistently. And guys, I'm wearing bangles, and it might be weird, but suddenly I just googled like benefits of wearing bangles. I don't know why. I randomly do random things like this sometimes, and in a blog I read that it will enhance positivity. So I'm all about positive vibes and positivity. I was a little bit shocked and surprised that why I suddenly wear bangles and why I suddenly searched up it on Google. And anyways, I got to know something new about this bangles. Sort of according to astrology, it enhances positivity. I will try to wear bangles as much as possible. It's another day, and today let's see a quick little PR unboxing session. I'm really thankful to receive these little packages and appreciation from brands, and I would really like to thank them. And let's start with this first package, which is sent to me by the brand called COSTBO. I will leave all the links in the description box below. So these are like healthy vacuum fried chips. Okay, it's by the brand called Gokul. I got the flavors jackfruit and okra and also Kabuli Chana, and here's the taste test for you guys. Wow, how cute. Guys, these were so yummy, so good, and also it's healthy, like low in saturated fat and low in sodium. And I will leave the links, you can check it out. They are delivering pan India, and I liked all three, but my most favorite is okra. It's so good. And you guys know I'm in sort of like a healthy eating, in the journey of healthy lifestyle, and for like 1 to 2 weeks my healthy snacks is sorted. Next, this package is by the brand Nua, and they have sent me their pimple patches, face wash, and also face mask. And this is the Pore Cleansing Face Wash, and it contains salicylic acid plus prebiotics, and it's for acne control. So I've tried the face wash. Let me talk about it. The packaging is really impressive. It's pump kind of packaging, and the pump is working really well, and it's a foaming face wash, and it cleanses the face really well, give like a clean effect to the face. I think for me it helps me to make my skin healthy. So I will provide the link in the description, and you can use my coupon code FW15 for 15% off when you purchase this face wash. And that's for the little PR unboxing session. And on that day evening, I thought of having pani puri. It's the most favorite snack for me. I love it, and I kind of made it myself with the pani puri mix, and it's yummy, tasty, such like a comfort food for me. Wow. Yeah, that's it for today's vlog. And if you want to know how my new room looks like, you can watch this vlog on the screen right now, in which I shared my new room tour with you guys. Make sure to check it out, and I will see you guys next time. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.